Ubuntu is one of the major tools for information gathering. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you install it. So let's get straight to the video. So before starting, I want to say that Ubuntu, some other Linux distributions run only in virtual boxes. So virtual machine you can say it. So I am downloading the Oral virtual machine. So if you have VMware or any other, it runs on that. So click on the first link and it's in the download section to the left. So click on which OS you have does running. So I'm Windows user, click on that and start install. I have already installed and get to the new tab and search for ubuntu.com. So it is a page of the Ubuntu officially. So click on the download and there is a menu option. Click on this first desktop 24 0.4. So this is a new version actually. After installing the overall virtual machine, click on the new, open it and click on new and type the name Ubuntu. I have already installed it. So let's type Ubuntu 1. Okay, machine folder where you want to save it, and then type Linux and then version Ubuntu 64-bit. If you are running on 32-bit, you can select that. So click on next. Okay, here it depends on you what work you are doing, so select as much you can do. So click on next, create next, and here the storage, as you know what work you doing, it depends on. So I'm giving it 24 GB. So all done. Click on general and then there is system, there is display, all the settings you can change. Selecting this is click on the storage, select the disk file. Let's over here choose the disk file, then Ubuntu 20.04 you can see it's approximately 2 to 3 GB ISO file. After that, in the network section, I prefer to use only host only adapter, because when you're having the many virtual machines, it takes all the IP address in same of the. If you open the Kali LAN, it shows the same IP address. Open this, it also shows the same IP address. So after that, click on start. I take a couple of minutes. So here select the file Ubuntu. I have already installed it. So click on start. Let maximum the screen. Okay. So it's starting actually. So it is very easy process. If having any troubleshooting or anything, please comment down the section, I come to you back. So this is the interface. Is first check all the disk file that having any errors. It take a couple of minutes. I just skip the video. So here we go. We have completed 97%, 99, okay, 100. Check finish, no errors found. So take a file, and Ubuntu also having a CD file which you can insert in your DVD or CD player in the CPU. So I have this file, ISO file. So it depends on the computer performance, how it running, then it start loading very fast or very slow, it depends on it. So it started because if the cursor shows in the black color, it installed, as you can see. If it is black color, it is a computer default. So this is the interface of first look of the Ubuntu, and then show. Okay, taking a time. Okay, we are in the installation part. So first we get the language. I think okay, we get the language and try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So as you can see, I select the install Ubuntu because I have the ISO file. If you have any CD, you can try Ubuntu actually. So taking time. Actually having two other virtual machines, so after that select the keyboard format which layout which you want. After that, before continuing, click on here and type anything, wait for verification. And here it is depend on you how the what things we're getting, web browser utilities. So if you minimal, you can click over here, I want the normal, and install third-party software or not. Okay, click continue. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video if you like it. So I think it's done almost. Okay, over, it is finished. And as you know, I have said another Ubuntu virtual machine having, so it's showing errors disk or install Ubuntu. I use something else and continue. I think it says error. I think okay, I having, let's try install now. So it's saying error, so quit. It doesn't show for you, don't worry. If having any problem, please comment down, we get to back. And you can quit, and I just mark. So this is the first interface of the Ubuntu. It's OpenAI, I think, because this is a command line. Doesn't worry, it's usually shows this error or failed over here. So it's blinking the screen. I think it's opening. Okay, so this is the interface of the Ubuntu. Get the many application at the left side. That is the actual taskbar. Over here you get all the application, and again showing install Ubuntu. So this is, and if you click on all apps, it shows the all apps. There is also terminal, which is very useful for collecting data. So this is file. Okay, this is all about Ubuntu, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Give a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.